Today I'll be showing you how to make a quick and delicious stir-fry spaghetti. In a pan, heat some oil and add your marinated chicken and leave it to fry. After that, you add in your chopped onions, your pepper mix, then you stir and cover to fry for 2 minutes. After that, you add your tomato paste, stir and fry for 1 minute. Then you add your seasoning and spice of your choice. I'll be listing out the seasoning and spices I used on the caption. Then you add your soy sauce, your leftover chicken, then you add your cooked spaghetti and give it a very good mix. Then you add your fried marinated chicken and mix together and set it aside. In a pan, you heat your oil and add your veggies. We have the carrots, green beans and spring onions here. So you fry and add soy sauce to it and give it a good fry. Now add your veggies to your stir-fry spaghetti. Mix everything together until well combined. And that's it. Your tasty fried spaghetti is ready. Yummy! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Thank you.